I will give you update about getting SSS UMID ID. Please subscribe and like my channel so you will not miss any upcoming videos. Let's start!
UMID application is still suspended until further notice. Wala rin pong application for SSS ID. Circular number 2020-009, all SSS members, temporary suspension of mandatory unified multipurpose identification or UMID card application. Pursuant to Social Security Commission Resolution number 200S 2020 dated 18 March 2020 and in line with the Memorandum of the Executive Secretary dated 13 March 2020 on the stringent social distancing measures and further guidelines for the management of the coronavirus disease 2019 COVID-19 situation, SSSS has suspended until further notice the receipt of UMID card applications which required biometric data capture of applicants. The biometric data capture involves close contact of the data capture operator to the applicant for the scanning of fingerprints and signature and facial image capture, which are contradictory to the policies of stringent social distancing. This circular shall take effect immediately. Ito pa lang po ang pwedeng makakuha ng UMID IDs, kaya need po mag-antay sa text notification ni SSS if available na ang UMID nyo. Sa mga lost UMID ID, pwede na ba mag-apply? Para makapag-apply ng replacement ng inyong SSS ID according sa SSS Facebook, kinakailangan ninyong mag-submit ng affidavit of loss at 2 valid IDs sa mga piling branches na may ID capturing facilities. Ang 200 pesos na replacement fee ay maaaring bayaran gamit ang aming miscellaneous payment return form. Para sa karagdagang impormasyon, maaari ninyong sundan ang link sa SSS Facebook page. Pero dahil nga nakastop yung pag-apply ng UMID ID, so hindi rin po kayo makakakuha or hindi rin po kayo mabibigyan ng UMID ID. So hindi pa din po pwede. Wait po sa update ni SSS. Ano ang UMID Certificate? Ito ay certificate na maaaring gamitin sa mga gustong mag-apply ng work abroad, particularly sa Taiwan. Saan pwedeng kumuha ng UMID certificate? Pwede ka makakuha sa POEA Main or SSS QC branch. Kahit sinong SSS member qualified ba kumuha ng UMID certificate? Qualified makakuha ang mga SSS members na may pending UMID application. Ibig sabihin ay may bio capture na kayo sa file ng SSS. If first time pa lang po kukuha ng UMID ID, hindi po kayo qualified kumuha ng UMID certificate. Release ng certificate, need po hintayin ng SSS text notification when pwede ma-pick up, usually 2 weeks po. Para naman sa mga lost UMID ID at need ng certificate at hindi nakapag-request ng replacement ID, pwede pa din kayong mabigyan ng UMID certificate. Mag-email po sa poea@sss.gov.ph at mag-provide ng affidavit of loss. Ilagay po sa subject UMID certificate at i-attach yung affidavit of loss po na document nyo. Ano ang kailangan para makakuha ng UMID certificate? Stub sa UMID ID.
If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, leave me a comment, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. I'm Tita Eda. See you in my next video.